Mecklenburg County Courts will change the way employees, attorneys, and clients handle legal paperwork.
They are set to switch over to eCourts system.
Queen City News reporter Savannah Rudisell is live at the Mecklenburg County Courthouse with some of the concerns surrounding the new program. Savannah, good morning.
Hey, good morning, Julian and Jason. Now, this new eCourt system is supposed to make things a little bit easier for both court employees and attorneys, and as well as their clients, too. It's supposed to be able to make things a little bit more accessible by filing documents online, being able to search for those records online, as well as just doing a few things that would otherwise require a trip to the courthouse. Now, all of that would be digital. And Mecklenburg County is only going to be the 5th county in the state to see if it really delivers on those promises. Now, this technology from Tyler Technologies has been piloted in 4 other counties so far. That includes Wake counties, Johnston County, as well as Harnett and Lee. Now, people there say that the system has caused some major issues for them. Things like mixing up court dates. Some attorneys can't access the right files, and even some clients say that they have been left stranded in jail even days after posting bond. Local officials here in Mecklenburg County say they'll just have to take these changes as they come.
There will be hiccups. There's no question, based on the experiences that we've seen in the pilot counties, there will be hiccups. As one of a number of court stakeholders, the district attorney's office is trying to do as much as we can to try to learn as much about how this new system works. It wasn't one that we selected. It wasn't one that we have had a whole lot of training in, except in the last few weeks.
Employees with North Carolina's Administrative Office of the Courts is going to be overseeing the rollout. They tell Queen City News the pilot program over the past 6 months has allowed the company to make the necessary software adjustments. Now, the state is paying about $85 million to roll out this specific system every county here in North Carolina. Now, Mecklenburg County's official rollout date will be October 9th, but they're going to start the process slowly, kind of rolling it out starting today. We're going to tell you what's going to be just a little bit different if you need online court system functions coming up here in our next half hour.